Hello everyone, I'm Professor Susana Marcelo and I'm going to show you how to caption videos using Amara. Now the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube, locate a video that you would like to use, but it's not already closed caption. This one, for example, is not a closed caption video. I simply chose this because it's 30 seconds long. It's also a good way to show students how to create pitches. So that's just an idea. So the first thing you do is cut the URL, go to Amara. If you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for one. It's already free. Click on Start Subtitling, click on Begin, and then Add Videos. Once here, place the URL, type in the language, and add to Amara. From here, add Edit Subtitles. Select again a language, add, and here you can start editing the video. Now, the reason you want to go ahead and actually add captions for a video that you really want to use for your class is that you want to make sure that it is accessible to everyone. Auto captions do not do that because they're not accurate. And in terms of comprehension, students may not be able to really comprehend the material if the captions don't reflect what's being said. What I like about Amara is that it has guidelines for how to caption. So if you didn't know what you were looking for before, it actually tells you what you want to look for. So for example, the length shouldn't be longer than 42 characters. What is the reading speed? If there's music or anything relevant that's being said on screen, that you describe that. For example, if there's water dripping and that's meaningful to the video, that you actually put in parentheses that there's water dripping. If there's something like music in the background and it's relevant to what's being shown in the video, then again, you want to put in the description. And here are some advanced guidelines. On-screen text, meaningful speech, all of these other things that you want to make sure that you're taking a moment to really take in so that as you caption the videos, you do so accurately. Now with Amara here, the way that you will start captioning the video is that you play the video and start typing what you hear. So over here are the controls. When you hit Tab on your keyboard, it will then play and pause. When you click on Shift plus the tab sign, you'll get the skip and going back. And then if you click on Shift and Enter, it will insert a line break. You can also just do it with your mouse. Either way basically works. So I'll give you an idea of how it works.
Secure solution for any environment. Easily transform your tablet and keep it safe.
Now notice here, as I typed in the next line in the captions, it actually tells you when your characters are exceeding. So what you would like to do there is basically move over some of the text to another line instead. And then when you are watching the video to see if it aligns, you can make different recommendations here. So for example, I'll cut this off and then start over here and then continue listening to the video and keep typing. Alright, so here I already finished the captions, and this is what you want to do next. Click on Yes, Start Syncing.
Solution for any environment.
Now see here, there's extra space in between the captions, so you want to cut that down. Okay, so I think I've tightened up now the captions. We will then check here if it is actually working.
Secure solution for any environment. Easily transform your tablet and keep it safe.
So here I put table instead of tablet, so I'll go ahead and change that. So I have here the captions that I've reviewed already by playing the video and watching them flow up on the screen. Once that's done, you then click on Review and Complete, Publish, and now your video has the captions. Thank you so much for watching.